Looking for a simple way to keep your kitchen or bathroom tidy without sacrificing style? WENKO's Easy Squeeze-e Station Soap Dispenser offers a sleek, modern solution that makes handwashing and cleaning effortless. Designed with flexible silicone, this dispenser lets you squeeze out just the right amount of soap or lotion. No spills, no leaks, just smooth, controlled use every time. I've tried countless soap dispensers before, but this one stands out. The 8.5-ounce capacity holds everything from dish soap and lotion to shampoo and essential oils, making it incredibly versatile. What's more, it's refillable with your favorite brands, so you're never stuck with one scent or formula. Placed right on the countertop, it keeps your sink area neat and adds a subtle touch of elegance with its minimalistic gray design. Friends even ask where I got it because it fits so well with any decor. If you want a practical, stylish upgrade for your kitchen or bathroom, this dispenser is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone who values convenience and clean design. Plus, it makes a thoughtful gift, just like I gave one to a friend who loved it immediately. Try WENKO's Easy Squeeze-e Station when you're ready to simplify your daily routine and elevate your space.